Hello everyone, this is Underwater Wonderland. I am so very sorry for not doing the video on last Wednesday. I was busy. I had to put my head clear. I have to go to an orthodontist because I had an expander. I'm gonna try show you. So yeah, I have something inside my mouth which has hooks and blah blah blah. So yeah, we're not gonna talk about that right now. And yeah, please subscribe to this video. I checked my subscribers. They're good. I appreciate that. And I'm gonna change. I'm not sure about that yet, but I might change in March to a different topic, no more toys, a different topic. So we'll find out in the future, which I have no idea about. So yeah, please subscribe and all that stuff. So let's just get started. Let's get started. This is, I don't know how to say her name, but I hope I say it correct. Karina Garcia. I think that's how you say her name. I'm gonna do this slime kit. You can pause the video if you need to look at what it includes. And it's a 12 plus. I'm 9. I have to be 3 years more old for this thing. And it's official make your own slime kit. And yeah, as you see, you can, on the side, it says you can make it crunchy, you can make it crunchy, you can make it glow in the dark, and you can make bubbles on opposite sides, blow slime bubbles. And yeah, we're gonna get started here. Oh, there's another side. You read it yourself, please. Yeah, so now we're gonna open this. That's easy. Okay, that was a struggle bit. These are some little things. I'm not going to tell you about this because this is not important. That's not important. These are all the add-ons. There's color tablets, glitter, and bubble wrap to make it crunchy, I guess. The water gel, and I can't see the rest of things. And there's a straw and glow-in-the-dark thing, powder. This is a cup, and it has S, so I could say, my name's Cup. And then this is all the main, main things, the main stuff, main ingredients. I'm gonna say it like that. Slime, no, this first. Clear slime goo. And skin and eye is irritant. So you have a warning for that. This is bad for you then. This is a white craft glue. And yeah, it's white craft glue. Just white craft glue. Yeah. So yeah, that's main, and slime activator. It's blue. This Craft City kit uses all these items you have here, the basic kit and the add-ons, and you can make so many kinds of slimes. And yeah, you can make a glitter slime, shiny, water slash gel slime, color tablets. If you put them in, it will start fizzing, and there's going to be color. glow-in-the-dark slime powder. The straw, this you can use to make bubbles. And if you want to make it crunchy, you can use bubble wrap. And yeah, I also have, these are items from home. I have a little bit of water and this big measuring cup, and I have 2 small measuring cups. Whoa. And yeah, now I'm just going to pour all these add-ons in here to make it a little bit easier. So yeah, what we have here is, I'm gonna move this bowl. We filled 30 ml in here of clear slime goo carefully, and over here we put the activator, and we are gonna make the glow-in-the-dark slime. I'm so excited because I never made one. I'm kind of new to slime, you know? Okay, this is a glow-in-the-dark powder. In here, it's yellow, and I'm just gonna pour it. I'm gonna be careful. Okay, and then I'm going to, pour the clear slime goo. Wow, that looks kind of satisfying. So I'm gonna show you. This is, yeah. I'm not gonna try. Okay, yeah. And then I'm gonna put the last, not least, the activator. Wow. Okay, now, last step. Oh, not last step, but stir. So after mixing for maybe about 5 minutes, we have this finished result, the glow slimy. This is the finished result. So yeah, this is how it looks like when you touch it and everything. And now, this is gonna sit now. Now we're gonna move on to glitter slime. Let's get started with the Make It Glitter slime. I'm so excited to do this because glitter is so shiny. Shiny. Okay, I'm gonna put, whoa, be careful. This, it's the same method, but the only difference is that you, I'm gonna dump this. Oh my god, it's stuck. Okay, I'm not gonna use that much. And now, it's the same method. All you have to do is, oops. All you have to do is the different add-on. Now I'm gonna mix. Whoa, 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 whoa. I've been mixing for 2 or 3 minutes, and this is my result. It's so satisfying. It's amazing. I love this slime. And yeah, I'm gonna do it one more time so you guys can see. One more time. Oh, it got stuck. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's amazing. I love it. And yeah, now we're just gonna move on to tablets. So here is the water gel blob slime powder. I added half a teaspoon. And now we're just going to pour 2 ounces of water. Be careful. Okay. And now we're just going to mix it. And then we're going for, oh my goodness. Ugh. This doesn't even feel like slime. Maybe when we add the ingredients. Okay, then I'm just going to add the activator. Oof. I hope this turns into slime. Oh, you don't know what it is, so. And yeah, I'm going to keep on mixing it. So yeah, this is our finished result of the water gel blob slime. It's amazing. It's amazing. You think it's like meh, meh, but really it's amazing. Touch it. My mom says it's amazing because in our cut we had to. So yeah, this is the finished result and yeah, finished result. And me and my mom been mixing and took hard work, and now we're just gonna move on to tablets. Now we're gonna start doing our color slime. Let's make it colorful. Gonna pour the blue in here. Okay. And then you will pour the goo in here. Wow, that kind of looks satisfying. Here, I'm gonna try to show you. But it's liquid. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Sorry if you guys didn't get to see it. And this is also blue. Blue and blue. And now I'm just gonna start mixing it. Oh no. Yeah, stuff is getting sticky here. So I'm just gonna start mixing it now. So now I'm gonna plan to do red next. It's red. No, actually that's not red, that's purple. Purple, red, okay? Purple, red. Yeah, I'm just gonna pour everything in here now. Whee! And now we're just gonna pour this. Just gonna put this on the side. And yeah, we're gonna pour it. Like that. And then we're gonna add activator. We ran out of activator, so I'm not gonna put all of it. Okay? Okay. That's great. Enough. And now, you guys know what it is. Guess? Mixing! This is the second color. So these are our finished results. So this one is the glow-in-the-dark slime. This one is the glitter slime. I'm going to show you this one more time. Okay. And then this is the blob one. We didn't have the yellow slime ready because we accidentally used all the activator. So we couldn't do anything about it but pouring the yellow in here and making it green. And here's our blue slime. It needs to set for a while because it didn't slime yet. This too, purple too. Yeah, this is purple. These are both tablet slimes, glow-in-the-dark slime, glitter slime, and the I'm gonna say the blob one, okay? And yeah, that's all our finished results. So yeah, this is the glow-in-the-dark slime. We wanted to show you this version because it looks cool. Sorry if you cannot see me, but we turned off all the lights. So yes, and yeah, these are all the lights turned off with the version. One more thing. I want to show you how satisfying this thing is. Okay, yeah, it's sticky. It's so sticky. It feels so amazing. You should try it at home, kids. It's amazing. Plop, plop. Plop, plop. And yeah, this is slime. It's green. It doesn't even look like slime, but it is. Okay. And yeah, I'm gonna show you this one more time actually. Okay, now I'm just gonna finish this up. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have so many people on Facebook, so now I want to gather everybody on YouTube. Bye!